We've got 3 trains tied down here at the summit. On the track furthest to the left, that's main track number 1. We've got a Union Pacific manifest tied down at the corner going eastbound. So you see the headlight on down there. That's some kind of BNSF train. Westbound on main track number 3 tied down. And right here we have a domestic stack train, BNSF tied down. And we got a train coming up this way. It looks like a Z train. High priority. So we'll see what's going on here. See all the trailers down there with FedEx. There's a Z train there, it looks like. Should be coming around the corner shortly, so. Relax and get ready to enjoy. It's a beautiful day out here in Cajon. Yeah, they got a cluster bomb going up here at the summit. Maybe when this Z train gets through here, these other trains will move. A lot of trailers. Estes, UPS. I can faintly start hearing the engines now, so here they come. It's got to be on main track 2, I guess. Should just go straight through. Bypassed all these tie downs. We will see though. There's the end of the train down there. Five locos. Elephant style. UPS containers. Locomotives are at the summit right now. So the tail of the train should pick up a little bit of speed. You can see forever out here today. Sorry about that. Train's picking up a little speed. Speed restrictions are lifted on the eastern side. Plus it's downhill over there. Gravity. Typical Z train, frozen products, mail, FedEx, UPS. Stay here about 10 minutes to see if these other trains don't start moving. The tail end is at the summit right now. I just heard something rev up. All right, we'll get to the next video. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We love you. We'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. We just went over 8,000 subscribers. Now we're going for 9. We appreciate every one of you. Thanks again, you guys. Love you. Take care.